Hello everyone, welcome back again to Pro-Adept Knowledge series. Today's topic, how hard is the PMP exam? Okay, another top question from a lot of people. Is it too hard? And some people actually do not take the exam because it is perceived to be a hard exam, a tough exam. So people shy away from it thinking it's a hard exam. Um, the charm of PMP is that it is not a easy exam, but in my opinion, it is not a hard exam as well. Let me corroborate what I am trying to say. PMP exam, okay, typically falls into these three categories. Okay, one is the concept part. Okay, one is the mental attitude, and one is the reading comprehension. Now, the PMP exam actually tests your ability that whether you can manage the projects effectively as per the good practices, okay, available in the current, which we call it PMBOK, which is Project Management Body of Knowledge, written by practitioners of project management. Okay, so this is what they will test. So what they are going to test is that given a situation, okay, how do you tackle that situation? So mostly, all the questions are situational based. And therefore, if you know the concepts pretty well, I think you can answer this. So most of the training institutes, I would imagine, or let me talk for myself, okay, ProThoughts focuses on the concepts part, okay, and we take you to the point to 70% preparation that you understand the concepts and you are confident on the concepts to pass the exam. Okay, so that's part one. The second is the mental attitude, and the mental attitude is about, okay, how positive, negative you are, how much is the stamina you are appearing on the exam after a kind of a good gap as you are a working professional. And the third part is the reading comprehension, whether you understand the questions written in the English part, okay, which is, I think it's not for 10% of the people perhaps, as per in my experience, okay. I had already done one session of video series on how to pass the PMP exam, and I have covered more in detail in that series. Now, why I was telling you again about this PMP exam, okay, you need to know where you are lacking. Are you lacking in the concepts part, in the mental strength, or in the reading comprehension? Okay, depending, if you identify that, or if you come to us, we will help you to identify that. Through our experience, by our interactions, we know what is your weak point. Suppose this is concepts your weak point, and that's where our focus is, okay, we are pretty sure that after 4 days, your concepts will be clear. Or even if it's not clear for some or the one odd person, we are there to help you post the training as well, and we'll handle you till you get your certification. But that's where the focus is, okay, and that's where you need to actually study. Okay, so this, if you are becoming aware of where you are, and therefore you put the efforts there, I don't think the exam is a difficult exam. Okay, so exam is not a difficult exam. Okay, so what you need to know is about, okay, self-awareness. Then you take action about what to do. We also have an exam strategy on how to clear the exam. That is also covered in the topic on how to pass the exam. Okay, so we are here to take care of you of the concept. If you are, okay, weak in these areas, okay, there are certain other therapies that you will cover this part as well. Okay, so in short, for this video series at least, okay, to me the exam is not a hard exam. In fact, it is easier, if I call it easier, if you follow the certain guiding principles. Okay. Now, if you do that, I don't think it will be a hard exam. Okay, and needless to say, you need to put efforts. It's not like you come to the class and you take the training, concepts are clear and you pass. There is a concept called learning curve. So repetition increases efficiency. So once you have learned a concept, you need to go through that, and then you go as per our study plan or whatever the strategy you have. I think it will be not so difficult to clear the exam. I hope this answers the question, how hard or easy is the exam. And also, I trust you like the session. Give a thumbs up if you like the session. If there are any questions or comments, please write out to us or give your comments on the video series. Happy to improve, happy to give what you want, and keep watching the Pro-Adept Knowledge series. I will see you again soon. Thank you.